Google just turned a single photo into a finished video. Avatars, Veo 3 Motion, and a free editor anyone can use today. You will see exactly what changed, why it matters, and how to convert these tools into watch time, leads, and sales. Stay to the end for a copyable workflow that publishes tonight without a camera crew. 1. Why did Google turn a document into a studio? Background and context. Google Vids began as a lightweight, browser-based editor inside Google Workspace. It sits beside Docs, Slides, Sheets, Drive, and Calendar, so scripts, visuals, and storage follow one login and one set of permissions. The original promise was simple: remove friction for people who are not full-time editors. That shift turns video from a specialized bottleneck into an everyday task any teammate can own. Even with that foundation, teams still ran into two stubborn roadblocks. First, finding a confident on-camera presenter who can deliver a script without repeated retakes. Second, adding motion to static assets so a cut feels alive. Today's update targets both pain points. AI avatars let you paste a script, choose a pre-made presenter, and preview a read that respects punctuation and pacing. Lip movement maps to the sounds in your lines, so the delivery looks natural instead of mechanical. Veo 3 image to video lets you upload a single still, write a short instruction, and produce a stable 8-second clip with motion and audio. Together, they remove camera days and inject motion when a product photo, a slide, or a mock-up. There's also a funnel widening move. Google is releasing a free consumer version of Vids, so anyone can organize projects in Drive and export basic edits at no cost. When speed and scale matter, you step up to paid tiers that unlock avatars, Veo 3, and advanced cleanup. Once a team stores assets in Drive and learns where tools live in Vids, upgrading becomes a clear decision based on time saved and output gained. If anyone can generate a presenter and motion from a still, what becomes the new measure of quality? Next, we unpack the mechanics so you know exactly which levers matter. 2. Inside the machine. What makes avatars and Veo 3 feel real? Features and how it works. Start with avatars. You paste or import a script, pick a presenter from a catalog of pre-made characters, and preview the performance. The value is not only the voice, mouth shapes align with syllables, which keeps rhythm in sync with the words and avoids the wooden puppet effect older tools produced. You steer tone by selecting among available voices so your message sounds welcoming, direct, or high energy. The presenter anchors continuity while the visuals do the teaching. The catalog approach is intentional. It avoids the complexity and legal overhead that come with cloning people, while giving teams a consistent on-screen presence that is always camera-ready. In many organizations, clarity and reliability beat charisma. A stable presenter lets you refresh modules quickly when a policy changes or a UI button moves. That is crucial for knowledge bases, onboarding flows, and customer education, where topics may evolve several times per quarter. Now consider image to video. Veo 3 begins with a single still, estimates depth and edges, and generates a short sequence that looks like a camera move or a tasteful animation. The goal is believable motion that preserves texture across frames so the clip feels like a shot, not a wobbly filter. You guide the move with a brief instruction. A slow push toward a product label, a gentle pan that reveals a feature, or a centered reveal that draws the eye are common choices. The result is a compact 8-second clip that can open a chapter, reset attention between dense ideas, or stand alone as a teaser for shorts and reels. Automatic transcript trim removes filler words and long pauses from self-recorded lines, tightening pacing and removing the amateur feel that turns early viewers away. Export options include landscape, square, and vertical, so a single project can feed YouTube, Shorts, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok without rebuilding the timeline. Quick pause. If you had this last month, which video on your channel would have shipped sooner? Can 8 seconds of clean motion meaningfully lift watch time on mobile? Up next, concrete workflows you can copy today. 3. From deck to viral, how this lands in real work, applications and examples. Picture a weekly tech reviewer who shoots a hero photo and a few close-ups the moment a device arrives. Veo 3 turns those stills into motion clips that open each chapter while the main commentary is voiced beat. An avatar delivers the sponsor read and a quick feature definition so the host stays focused on the narrative. The review feels energetic from the start, without a second camera or a day of B-roll. Over a month, the time savings can translate into an extra upload, which helps the channel win suggested placements and accumulate more watch time. Now imagine a solo SaaS founder who needs a landing page tour, a setup tutorial, and answers to top support questions. Draft scripts and docs, paste them into vids, pick a friendly presenter, and capture tight screen recordings. Export landscape for YouTube, Square for LinkedIn, and vertical teasers for Shorts. Work that once took 2 weeks fits into a weekend, so new features launch with an explainer video on day 1 instead of waiting for the next sprint. Consider an HR manager who must keep onboarding current across several regions. A steady avatar welcomes new employees, sets expectations for week 1, and hands off to modules on benefits and security. When policy changes arrive, you update the affected lines and publish the revised segment instead of the whole series. New hires hear the same core message everywhere, and the company avoids the drift that creeps into long-lived training assets. A product brand can shoot 1 clean photo per item and let Veo 3 turn each still into an 8-second teaser with subtle movement and music. Schedule a daily short and a Friday recap with a clear call to action and a tracked link in the description. Educators script each concept, let an avatar deliver the core explanation, and cut to diagrams for detail. Between topics, a short Veo 3 clip animates an illustration into a gentle push that resets attention. Community teams can publish event recaps within hours using a single wide photo. Veo 3 handles a slow move toward the stage, while a caption names the takeaway, then the avatar invites viewers to the next session. For a quick win tonight, run a 90-second build. Write a crisp hook that promises an outcome, paste it into vids, choose a presenter, add 2 screenshots and 1 Veo 3 clip for motion, then export vertical and landscape. Compare first-hour metrics and iterate the title if CTR lags. If motion comes from a still and the presenter is synthetic, where should you invest human time for the biggest lift? Story, title, or thumbnail? Next, we layer in proof and strategy so your edits carry authority. 4. What the pros see coming: signals, side effects, and strategy, opinions, and proof points. Analysts who watch creator tools say competition is shifting from flashy model demos to complete workflows. Pretty frames help, but teams win on cycle time and reliability. Vids sits close to the work, the script is a document, the charts are a deck, the files live in Drive, and the editor is a tab in the same browser. That proximity trims planning, review, and publishing so more videos ship and more experiments run on titles, thumbnails, and chapters. Legal and brand leaders value predictable processes. Many companies are cautious about cloning real people for wide use because consent rules vary by region and shift over time. A catalog of pre-made presenters avoids the hardest likeness questions while still delivering a human-style host. The presenter stays constant while the message evolves. Proof point 1, per Google's post. The basic Vids editor is available at no cost to consumers, while AI features such as Avatars and Veo 3 are included for paying workspace customers and Google AI Pro or Ultra subscribers. That boundary keeps access broad and lets serious teams buy speed. Proof point 2, per coverage this week. Vids usage has cleared 7 figures monthly, and the new Veo 3 module generates 8-second clips from a single image and prompt. Those details matter because adoption and format length shape your publishing cadence and chapter rhythm. Gut check. What would 8 seconds of clean motion fix in your last upload? If every team gets the same tools, what gives your videos an unfair advantage? Speed, specificity, or the personality in your script? Last, a realistic look at where this evolves and how to stay ahead. 5. Tomorrow's studio in your browser, what this could evolve into, future and next moves. Expect a careful path toward deeper personalization. Many users will ask for a safe way to create a policy-friendly avatar of themselves. If that option appears, it will likely include explicit consent flows, stored rights, and controls that limit where and how the avatar can be used, so compliance teams remain comfortable. The payoff is obvious for executive messages, training modules, and brand stories where a familiar face raises trust. Image to video should grow from single shots to guided sequences. Storyboards that define a wide opener, a feature reveal, a macro detail, and a final tag could let Veo 3 stitch multiple moves with consistent color and light. That would make a 30 to 60-second ad possible from a handful of stills and a few short prompts, while speeding up B-roll creation for longer edits. As sequences lengthen, Expect beat markers that align motion with music automatically, so editors focus on story rather than fiddling with curves. Brand memory will also get smarter as projects accumulate. Because Vids sits beside Drive, it can learn fonts, colors, lower third styles, and music preferences over time. Future projects could apply those choices automatically and suggest elements that match your tone. New contributors would join a project and find defaults aligned with the house style, which reduces training and keeps output consistent at scale. Mobile capture will tighten the loop. Sending a photo from your phone straight into a Vids template, prompting a motion path, adding captions, and exporting to the right aspect ratio in minutes keeps channels active during travel and busy seasons. Live reading by an avatar also looks natural for webinars and product demos, with a prepared script for repeat segments and live answers in between. Expect closer ties to YouTube, with templates tuned for end screens, cards, and chapters. If analytics begin to inform timing suggestions for chapter breaks and motion inserts, editors will spend less time guessing and more time crafting messages that audiences actually finish. If mobile-first editing becomes the norm, what would your weekly schedule look like when travel takes over? We close with a fast plan you can publish tonight. The workflow is shifting now. Google Vids gives you a free path for beginners, AI avatars for scale, and Veo 3 image to video when all you have is a still. Move early and you can post more often, test faster, and learn what your audience values before rivals adapt. Tonight, write a 90-second script, paste it into Vids, pick a presenter that fits your tone, animate one photo with a calm push, add 2 screenshots that prove your point, and export vertical and landscape. Publish both, read the comments, and iterate tomorrow. The gap between idea and upload is now small, use it.